Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I'm just rotating the tires on my '06 Jetta with these fun lug bolts. And I had a couple of metric bolts laying around that fit. I just cut the hex off of them. And then I also ordered a 6-inch piece and cut it in half from McMaster-Carr. And I think that thread is a 12.7 millimeter by 1.0 pitch, I believe. I may be wrong on that, but so don't quote me on that. Double check it and make sure. But yeah, so that helps when you're changing these wheels, even if it's just one or rotating. But so anyway, I made the video, making this short clip to show that you can do that. But also, I wish I knew of somebody that made a stud and nut kit for these. I think I looked pretty hard last year on eBay and Amazon, and I asked around. The only thing I saw on YouTube was some guy converted his Mini Cooper, but I hadn't been able to find them. I would be happy if I just had one stud and nut on each wheel to help, kind of like this. But I don't know. I hadn't been able to find them. I hadn't really been looking since last year, but anyway, if you know, leave me a comment, and I need to look again. But something else about these, I think those lug bolts where it seats in the wheel, I think it's like rounded, kind of radiused, and it's kind of subtle. You don't quite, you got to look pretty close, but that's another problem. So may not be able to go just down to the nearest parts store and find the lug nut you need and just throw a stud in there. I wish you could, but you don't want to mess up your wheels where they seat. So anyway, good stuff. Leave me a comment if you know where I could order that kit from. But to me, it'd be worth it. It'd be a nice upgrade. So have a good one. Take care.